Right, Kyle.
Yes.
Drink champion 2025. Wait, Brandon. Drink champion 2025.
No, he lost. He lost the championship.
Oh.
I gotta testify.
Championship, but he still survived. So.
Kyle's so fucked. Good morning. Naughty, naughty.
Privito bicho. This is nice.
I don't think we had to pay jack shit. We could have just got a taxi here, and it's.
No, but he had to have a ticket, didn't
Yeah, but he's not showed anyone, has he?
he? No, that's for him.
Yeah. So if we just got a taxi here,
Oh, that's a good point.
that's what I'm saying. He's not showed anyone jack shit. Damn! Look at that bear.
Damn, look at that little doggy.
Little doggy.
Yeah, he's a little baby.
What's that sound like, yeah? You come from Ölüdeniz Resort Hotel, my friend, yeah?
Where we sit.
I don't want this fish, fish.
Where?
Right. Buzzing water. A bit cold. Aye.
It's recording.
Hello, you're going underwater. No, 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 no.
Gonna review it, see if it.
You can have a look.
Of course, we'll have a look.
To have like a new sister or something, and she's making Finley take like dad photos with her.
Who is it? Ball and the hamster. We're about to have break time. Are we? We're about to break. We're literally doing it.
Oh, it might be worth Eastern doing it because it's on this side. You've got a few.
Yeah, I don't want to do it. Buzz down! Buzz! Blow down! Hey, you got the phone on? No. Post the photo. Hello, champion. Okay, go on.
Hang on my phone.
No, neither do I.
Hello!
So we're done at Paradise Beach. I bought a burger. That was really nice. And we chilled over there. I caught a fish with the net. I bought a net. I caught a fish with no eye. I had 2 eyes. Caught a fish. It was only a little one, but I'm glad I did. It was good.
Tung sahur.
They do. On your bag? Not yet.
Stance. Like the big wide stance. You have a very natural wide stance.
No, 1,020 quid.
You have a very natural wide stance.
How much are you getting out for Liam as well?
Is that your natural?
You look it.
Amazing.
Out of 10, how much do you regret last night?
Yeah, but I could
David,
Hello?
how do you think Kyle feels today?
Shit.
He said amazing.
Good one. My data's not working. It says no service even though I've got my data. That's what that service is.
You need some new glasses.
Right.
You've got the Turkish Specsavers.
Turkish Specsavers. I bought a top, not a jumper, a hoodie. It says Nike on it. And yeah.
The thing is, I'm wearing my Villa top, so it doesn't.
It's all right. It's comfortable, I guess. It's only 750 lira, so 15 quid. It's not bad, is it? Better than the prices everyone else got for theirs. And at least I haven't thrown up on mine yet. So. This is something I can wear when I'm just chilling in the bus house or whatever.
Is that our
Team house is the best house. So, you know.
Oh, get the view.
Get the view. The view.
No! You can have an extra large beer with frozen glass.
They tried to sell frozen beer last time. I went, mate, that's not possible.
It's not nice, yeah, it smells.
But yeah, genuine Turkish fake.
I tried one last night.
Yeah, it's just for like when the night time, so because it gets cold.
Genuine fake Turkish real.
Exactly. Genuine fake Turkish real. So. How to what?
Do the I can't remember the name of the game. One of the floor.
Oh yeah, tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
Right. Now it's time to go
And
back to the the Paradise Beach, and then we're going to go back to the hotel. Get some food.
Yeah. Get some beers.
Get some beers.
pina coladas.
Yeah, and we'll play blackjack
Get some,
again.
After morning pills. You know the rules.
We can't have that on video. You think we have to cut that out now?
Don't get girls pregnant. Wear condoms and don't shag random fucking tramps on an all-inclusive holiday in a family hotel. That's the lesson of the day.
Lesson of the day from Mr. Kino. Oh dear. Is somebody watching this will be listening to that very carefully, won't you?
Me? What, marriage?
Hey, come on! Are you okay?
This is video.
Video? Say, here he